Good morning, everyone, from a cloudy New York City today. I'm here to talk specifically to the conference interpreters among you. I will be offering a workshop on the 16th of June, so in 10 days from now, where I'll be sharing very specific advice on how to turn your career around. So if you are a conference interpreter ready to take your career to the next level, or if you, for whatever reason, feel you're stuck and you need to get your foot in the door to more, bigger, more prestigious clients, this workshop is for you. I am a conference interpreter like yourself. I have been a former chief interpreter in the United Nations system for 7 years in Geneva. So I've spent my life either training interpreters, staffing interpreters, or working as one. So I've been on both sides of the counter, and I can share with you very specific advice on what to do, what to say, how to present yourself in a manner that's not going to work against you. So what I've seen in the market is that several colleagues, excellent interpreters, continue to shoot themselves on the foot by making silly, small mistakes that are totally avoidable. So join me if you're really interested in more offers of work, potentially more prestigious assignments, and let's have that conversation. That's going to be a 90-minute workshop packed with information. You also will have a chance, if you so wish, to have a one-on-one consultation with me privately after the workshop. So go ahead and click on the link above, and I look forward to seeing you soon. So I'm Evandro Magalhães, and as I said, I've walked in your shoes for a long time, and I can help you walk in mine. See you hopefully in a little bit.